Hello everyone and welcome to my CS50 final project. This is a web-based application made in Python, SQL and a bit of JavaScript. My book is a platform designed to connect students across Nigerian universities who want to exchange books and earn while doing so. It's also to reduce the financial burden of purchasing new textbooks while promoting environmental sustainability. Let's log in. I'm going to log in as a regular user. As a regular user, you can see all the books that are currently available. You can search via the search bar. You can search by the category. We have economics, we have computer science, and so forth. To get a book, you could click on get this book and you'll see the details. We have the description, the authors, the location of the person who currently enlisted the book, the category, and the format of the book. The person who enlisted the book currently gives it a 3-star rating. Now, if you want to sell a book, you have to fill out this form. And when you've done that, you click submit. I haven't implemented the pricing feature, but this is the overall concept of what I'm trying to build. Let's log out and see what the admin can do. As an admin, you have the prerogative to delete a book, and if you do that, you're going to see that in the CSV file in the back end. Let me walk you through the code base. This is my CSV folder where we have our added books and deleted books CSV. We have the static folder for our image files and CSS files. We have the templates folder for our HTML and all. We have the steps text. This is my thought process on how I built this. And we have our other Python scripts. Yeah, this has been my CS50 final project, and thanks for watching.